Windows Embedded CE is all about enabling connected experiences and connected devices. And one of the important ways we're doing that is with the devices profile for web services. This is a technology based on industry standards like SOAP and XML that allows devices to discover each other, communicate their capabilities back and forth, and make events and secure messages happen between devices regardless of the platform of the device and regardless of the network. So I have an example of that to show you today, which is a set of devices built by our partners at Beckhoff Automation. All of these devices are controlled by this CX1020 embedded PC and this CP6608 touch panel that allows me to control everything like the temperature in the room simply by clicking on the thermostat button and then either raising or lowering the temperature. I can also control the lighting, turning lights on and off, or controlling dimmers on the lights, bringing them up slowly. The important thing to understand about all of these devices is that they speak web services. Controlling lights may seem very simple, but what about a more complex device like the blinds? Now, I can control the blinds from this automation panel as well, just by clicking on blinds and then having them either go up or down. And I can automate this entire function entirely from this touch panel without ever touching the blinds. Now you may be wondering what this odd-looking device is up here. That's actually our weather station device, and I can access the information coming in from that weather station device here on the touch panel as well. You can see it's telling me the temperature, the wind speed, and the brightness. And all of this information, including whether it's raining or not outside, is updated live using the device's profile for web services. So this device is sending XML events over to this controller, which is then delivering that information here to the touch panel in real time so that we have up-to-date information on what's going on outside. Now, maybe you're like me and you don't necessarily want to get up and find the nearest touchscreen panel to control some of these automation functions in your home, and you'd rather do it from the couch right in your living room. The folks at Beckhoff have developed a plugin for Windows Vista Ultimate. So using this plugin to the Media Center PC, I can control all of the same automation functions that I showed you earlier controlling from the touchscreen. For example, I can go in and access the weather station to see what the temperature is outside. I can even page over and from the comfort of my own couch, start the washing machine, which is upstairs in another room. And I'll even get a notification later here on the touchscreen and on my Media Center PC when that washing machine load is done. So you can see all of the great things you can do with the device's profile for web services in CE6 R2.